What's up, bag holders? How in the hell are you? Main account time. So the order for Amgen, as we get our spreadsheet up to date, was filled at 280.82 per share. These damn circles, they just don't want to stay on here, I don't think, unless maybe I didn't put it on here. But we actually got it for this day. Shoot. Click it in the middle. Because we put the price in for the close on that current day. So obviously we are way up on that position and it's doing a-okay. So we got to add that into the spreadsheet. Date was yesterday. All right, bada bing, bada boom. That's in. We got a dividend for XYLD. Very nice. That actually beat the end of the month, which is cool. I don't know what's going on here. Looks like there is we tried to buy an order of Sirius, and we did in the public account as well, and I canceled that order off screen, but it looks like it didn't fill, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel the buy order, which is fine, and then put in a new sell order. And we'll actually double check the brokerage because I have trust issues. They try to get you any way they can. And yes, their rounding methods. Wow. That's really crazy. But we'll go ahead and put the sell order in. So maybe it'll go, right? It's going up, right? And if you have your sell order in good till canceled, then you don't have to worry about nothing. Should see if there's an option expire tomorrow. Let's do that right quick. March 28th. Yes, tomorrow. No premium. I'm going to say if I'm looking to sell it and we're close, I could sell a call, right? All right. BitX as we go on into the rest of the stuff. Still do the day trade stuff. Got an opportunity to buy. And sell right at the open. Look at us. It's been such a crazy day that I forgot I even did this. But I did post on the website, so if you're curious what I'm doing during the day, it is posted. Small position. We were only able to get 2 lots in. I believe I was a bit distracted by work, but that may not be an issue moving forward. Change is the only constant. So just one day hold 3.33% return. I'm good with that, but nothing really crazy. Also sold oil today. And this one is a much more of a shape that you're used to seeing. So in here, and then of course we went dip down. That's why I don't do stop loss and all that crap, because I just feel so stupid when it goes up. But I understand the purpose of it and that it actually does work. But there's just something in my body that doesn't feel good about it. This was a small position too, only 2 lots. So we weren't able to capitalize on a large amount of money. but we pulled money out of the market and we're in cash, so we have no risk no matter what happens. It was only 0.83%, which was not very much at all because of the little wiggle here, but it all stacks up together. And looks like we actually got a chance to get out of the SPXL as well. Look at that rip. Rip. And typically this one is middle of the road. Usually oil moves slower and the Bitcoin moves faster. And this one's kind of like somewhere in the middle, right? And we actually did get a dividend on the 26th yesterday. Wow. Cool. Just for holding the trading position. We were able to get 6 slots in. So not a bad position, but not anything crazy. And as these results have came in super strong, I will slowly be increasing the size on this. It's definitely outperforming. Wow, I guess I don't have this one set up to show the percentages, so let's do that right quick. And this needs to be a percent. 1.3%. Isn't that just fancy? So now that we have percents in there, as a total, I made 40.53% doing this stupid little strategy. That's pretty awesome. And that's all we had. So this strategy has really come in clutch during this period because the other strategies are just not hitting that much. But I'm still in the game. I'm able to stay connected to the markets. Because that's one thing too, is if they throw fastballs at you every pitch, by the time they throw a slow changeup on you, you're not ready for it. But since I'm in the market every day, all day, whenever I see my pitch, I can swing the hell out of the bat. You know what I mean? All right, so nothing on the commodities. Yeah, we'll start trading Johnson Johnson on the 5-minute. So for the daily, we're looking for swing trade entries or a possible sell, and we're not doing any flips. Look at that Amgen, how it just blew up. You see I put my alert in there to let me know when to get out. But after this little point here, you got some free run up to in this zone right here. So hopefully we sell that sucker tomorrow, man. Let's end the month strong. We got duped by another holiday, but you got to give one for Jesus, which is cool. Jesus is all right with me. But I don't recall anywhere in that book where he said shut the stock market down. I need to read it again probably. But I don't remember it being in there. That's the thing. If the stock market's open, you don't have to look at it. The people that operate it got to work, but this one's very close. So our entries are coming in. BDX had an awesome day today. We're up nicely here and approaching the golden line. I'm looking for that one as an opportunity to get out. APD, we locked in the dividend today. Hell yeah. And this one's showing a little sign of life. Wouldn't that be cool if we could cross the 200 and start cruising? Looks like we locked in a dividend. That's a huge position. So these will be treated as swing trade opportunities if there's anything here. We're kind of close on some of them, but this one is starting to rip. So it would be nice to get out of all these. We're just sitting on basically old inventory. I need 28 to get out of the shares I was assigned here on Pfizer. You see we got 27.94 on the high. 6 pennies away. Man, they like to torture me. It's a 24-hour market, whatever they call, which is all just shady stuff, but it could sell overnight. And that's the beauty of having your sell order in uh, and a limit. So they have to give me what I ask at least, but could easily get sniped in the after hours. We're so close. If you're a big firm and you're thinking about, you're going to be buying for several months or several days and you can pick one off in the after hours, they do that stuff. I've seen some wicked, wicked feels. So here we had a few, I think, that were kind of close. So I'll try to pay attention while I'm scrolling through here, but I'd like to get this over with. I'd like to do something else today. But I'm consistent. All right. I knew we had Foot Locker we've been watching. There's the McDonald's that got so close. This one did hit, didn't it? Didn't we say this one hit the other day? No, it didn't quite hit. There was one that was barely hit too. And all the layoff news coming through and all that, I am geared up because a lot of my companies are going to do very, very well in the coming months. And we have until May, right? You're supposed to sell in May and go away. And that's where the flips will start to work to our advantage. 26.36 over 26.32. There it is. That is an entry. And one day I will be rich enough to afford to buy shoes there. But that day is not today. 28.51 is the closing print. I'm doing a full order. Ain't scared. Looks like we're trading higher in the after hours. I don't know if I get filled or not. Sometimes it shows that way too because you have to remember it's not showing you the real price on this post. This is the mark. Okay. Just the mark price. But the spreads widen when the market closes. So we're just going to go ahead and move this up with full faith confidence that as volatile as this sucker is, we're going to get in. But you can see how strong it is. Some people may be scared of it, but chickens don't get to be kings and queens. Okay. It's reserved for the brave. All right. We got one. Heck yeah. Showing some activity. And this one was so close. I like that one too. You can see it's not going crazy volatile, but man, it's grinding nice and steady. And I like the boring companies. I just do. But I also day trade levered Bitcoin. So look how beautiful that exit was because it has done nothing since that for several months. That's why I don't mind being a little cautious and get out early because your time has value. Yes, I missed some huge runs, but I also can free up capital and I never have problem finding a place to put the money. And remember, if the flips in these swing trades are very slow, then I have a lot of cash, I'll just sell premium, you know. So I'm going to put the capital to work one way or another. We didn't have anything else really that close. That might be a long time before we get back into swinging. So I hope you enjoyed that. Good luck to y'all. Remember, make your own investment decisions, but this is what I'm doing, working a full-time gig. There's a little bit of layoff news at my place too, so maybe I'll be day trading again. If I am, I'll bring you along with me. You catch me on Twitch, and we'll do that again. I did a little trial run today, and It was 5 trades, and total net was 30% gainer. So joke might be on them, but it's an awful hard way to live your life. But we'll do it if we got to. So that's what I got for today. If you stuck it out for 15 minutes, hit the damn like button, would you? And appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.